These beautiful dishes arrived today. They're by Doan, and there's 4. They are 10 inches long by 6.5 inches wide. They have a raised edge, so when I'm passing it to somebody at the table, it's going to hold the food in there and not slide. It came really well packed. I'm actually saving the thick styrofoam that's in between the dishes so that if I ever need to send them anywhere or if I want to store them away, I can. They are really pretty. What I'm going to be using these for is entrees. You know, I think that this will do really well, or appetizers. But I'm very happy with them. They are actual bone china by a company called Doan. I really like them. And I have a link where you can actually go get some for yourself. They're quite beautiful, and I imagine I'm going to be looking at some of the other dishes this company makes. I like the white dishes because it makes everything I put on it look great. It's a great background for that, so I can have greens or even chocolate cake with drizzle all over it, you know, like chocolate cake here and ice cream here and drizzle. But I'm very happy with them. Quality is really good.